Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, I will show you two steps to create multiple folders at once on Windows 10 or 11 computer systems. So we will use the command prompt first. Open the command prompt and run it as administrator. Click on yes button when the prompt opens, and we need to type the command cd space and this command /d. Now the location where you want to create the folders. So this is the desktop, but this is not the complete path. We need to navigate through this path. C drive, users name, and the desktop. This is the complete path, so we need to copy this and just paste it here like this and hit enter. Now once we hit enter, we are in a desktop. So in order to make the multiple folders at once at the desktop, let me show you. You need to type here the command md, means make directory, space the name like Jan, Feb, March, April, and hit enter. Now once you hit enter, you can see folders are created automatically here. 4 folders, okay, Jan, Feb, March, and April. So if you want to make inside any folder and inside any folder on it, I mean the subfolders, so we need to hit this command, put up arrow and navigate through like this, and we need to have slash and the first date and the fab inside the fab first date and hit enter. Okay, we don't need to give the space here. Okay, Jan, you can see first, and Feb, you can see here first date. So these are the subfolders inside it. So this is the first step to make the multiple files and folders at once. So in the second method, we will use the PowerShell command. Open PowerShell as administrator, and we need to run it as administrator again. Okay, and let me show you to make the directory in D drive, new, and let me copy this location here. Let me delete this. Okay, so we need to type here the command cd space, and we need to put here the quotation and then paste the path, close the quotation, hit enter. Now we need to type our md like same Jan, quotation, Jan, close quotation, space, Fab, quotation, close, and hit enter. Now once we hit enter, you will see here two directories. You can see here Jan and Fab. So if we want to make the subfolder inside Jan or Fab, we need to up arrow key here and then the slash and first slash first, close the quotation mark, space fab slash first, close the quotation mark. Now you can see it should written now. You can see. So this is the command you can see here. I was putting it wrong, but you can see the up arrow command is inside the quotation marks. So sub folders you can make that. Okay. So these are the two steps to make the multiple folders at once on Windows 10 or 11 PC. Hope this video useful for you guys. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.